Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert stickers on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. Now from here open any document. After that click on Insert tab, and on the illustrations option you can find icons. Then just click here. Make sure that your internet connection is enabled, and at the top you can find some categories: images, icons, cutout people, and here you can find stickers. Then just click here, and that's it. Now if you have internet connection, then you can find unlimited stickers from here, and you can find any kind of categories as you want. You can see Doggo, Dude, Mr. Fields, Meow, Handy. Suppose if I select Meow, and from here you can insert cat stickers. If you want to insert this sticker, you have to just select it and then click on insert option, and that's it. You can see the sticker has been inserted successfully. Also, if you want to place this sticker on the cell, then just click here, and that's it. Also, if you want to place this sticker over the cell, then just click here again, and here it is. And that is how you can insert sticker on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.